beach later, which is quite cool. And now we can see a nice structure, looks like a boat made out of loads of wood. We'll walk around it, just have a look at the ocean. There we have a golf course next to the beach. Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I am in Berwick Upon Tweed, and it is a lovely nice day today. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look around Berwick, and we're going to have a look at the ruined castle. Now I don't know what else I'm going to do on this video, but if you watch this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification if you're new, and you can see new videos coming soon. So yeah, I'm only like 2 minutes away from the train station, just up the bank there, and it's only 10 AM in the morning as I'm doing this video. So yeah, it's a nice day, I cannot complain. The sun's out, got nice blue sky, white clouds. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting day, and it's going to be a long day. Got 6 hours till I get the train back home to Newcastle. So yeah, and I'm sitting in a nice little garden just away from the train station, which is quite nice and listen quiet, you can hear the birds. So yeah, so we'll get going to the ruined castle, we'll walk down there and see where we get to after that. But yeah, as you're watching the video, all the comments you make on this video will get answered. So yeah, make sure you leave a comment guys and a like of what you think of this video. And I used to work in Berwick years ago at Haggis Castle, but I've never actually had a chance to look around years ago. So I'm back, yeah, maybe about 7 years later in Berwick to see what's about. So yeah, so let's get going and see what Berwick has to offer. So this is the little garden where I've just sat and done an introduction. Quite nice. And now the train station is up there, and now we're going to find the castle remains. So we've got a little sign there, and we've got some steps to walk down. I've just passed a nice couple who are actually on the same train, and they're exploring, who have been to Berwick before either. So I just told them a little bit of history, and they're going to try and find it. Not that I know much myself, but yeah, 6 hours in Berwick. And as you can see, I can see the water. So now we are at the river side, and there is the big bridge where I'm just getting the train across, and it is quite huge. And this is the riverside walk, which is quite nice. We will find the beach later, which is quite cool. I am going to have a look down the lighthouse. So yeah, I mean, look at the sky. I mean, such a lovely day. Can't complain with this. Every time I booked a trip, I've always found a nice day. And apparently we've got some natures, mallard ducks. Yeah, looks like an otter. I don't know if we're going to spot any otters today, but let's see what we can find. Now we do have a bit of history on the bridge. This bridge was built in 1847. Quite some structure.
Morning.
Morning, you alright? So I can imagine how long this bridge took to build. Yeah, built in 1847. Okay, so we're now approaching the ruined castle where I've come to see, and it looks quite interesting. Let's take a look around. You see, this is quite impressive. Even got a seat there as well. What a view. And that is a ruined castle. Let's take a little view through the window. I'm trying to watch my step because it's all cobbly and it's uneven. Oop. And this is what the castle looked like. Though you can see it properly because the sun is shining on it. But if it wasn't for the sun you'd be able to see it properly. But it's called the white wall. There's the castle, but see with the sun, I don't know if you can see it properly. But English began building this wall after capturing the town from the Scots in 1296. And the gun tower in front of you was added on the wall probably between 1482. Another part of the castle, I don't know if you can see that, but there is sheep up the top surrounding the castle. So yeah, so the sheep can get up there, but I can't. So yeah, I'm going to take a walk along here, and now we can see a nice structure. Looks like a boat made out of loads of wood. Let's go and take a look. Yeah, all in all, still a lovely day. Look at this. Okay, here is something interesting. Looks like someone made a boat out of big twigs and sticks, which is quite cool. You can actually go in it. Got a plank there. Let's have a look. Oh, lost your feet. Quite interesting. Now the train going across. Now look at that view. We're now in Berwick, walking along the old Berwick walls, and then we have a lighthouse, which I'm going to go along there, and I'm going to walk along there, have a look at the views along there. But overall, it's still a lovely day. And there's a lot of people out walking the castle walls, but I say Berwick walls, not castle. But yeah, quite a lovely day, nice day out. As you see, I am now walking along the pier, and it's quite a long pier, and got a nice scenery along there, and it is quite a long pier. Okay, so we're now approaching the lighthouse. It looks quite huge, good size. I'm going to have a little walk around it, just have a look at the ocean, which is quite cool. Got a green light on in that window, so unless it has a camera, must be what's called the Lowry Lighthouse. Let's take a look. It is quite breezy, but quite cool all the same. Let's take a look around. That's the lighthouse done. So now to go and look at some more history. Okay, so we're now at the site for gunpowder for the garrison, which was built in 1750. This will protect the valuable powder from both accident and attack. You can't actually get in there. There we have a golf course next to the beach. Now what you see here is where cannons and guns used to stand to protect. So you can imagine a big gun in there, and there was 3 of them. Oh yeah, Berwick has some history. Once again, there's a view of the ocean. Berwick is such a lovely place. Once again, this would be another site for a big cannon. And same over there. Like an old torch. And you see over there, after I've been in the lighthouse, I don't know if you can see that, but someone's got a buggy playing golf. That must be a lifeguard place, but that is the place where you play golf. Now this place was built for volunteer gunners. It was built in the 16th century. Remained in use for several centuries between 1891 and 1908, as you can see by that picture. Now this is the view of both the towns. Just an awesome view. Well, that's it for another video. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and turn the bell notification on if you're new to this channel. It has been a lovely day. It's been nice and warm, nice and hot. I'm sweating. Now I've got to wait for the train. Got about 30 minutes to wait for the train. So until the next video, guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to comment and share if you're kind enough, and I will answer all comments. So until the next video, guys, see you later.